It's pretty insane how much data we all have on the internet, most of us, who have social media profiles that other people can access. And in this case, we're going to be connecting that data with digital persona development. So in the practicum that's coming up with Maya, you're going to see how she uses tools like Google Analytics and Facebook Insights to generate personas digitally. Personally, I think that getting customer interviews, having that intimate customer knowledge and talking to people is critical still. And I think that you probably want to combine these two, right? So I want to encourage you to do a little exercise right now. I want to encourage you to go to my LinkedIn profile, which is linkedin.com/in/pdavisjones. And two reasons. First, I invite you to connect with me. I would love to be connected with you on the network. Second, I want you to see how much data you can get about me from that profile. For example, what's my level of education? What have I been talking about online? What topics does it look like I'm interested in? What types of roles have I had in the past? How long have I held those roles? Those types of questions are the types of things that you can now answer a lot of times through basically digital market research, right? So another thing that you're going to see in this section is a clip of an interview with Brian Taylor. He used to be a senior usability engineer at Rackspace. Now he is an executive at Amazon, and he's always been in this usability space. And I just wanted to share an anecdote that Brian shared with me, which is that at Rackspace, they were trying to do surveys to get customer information. So the amount of budget that Rackspace allocated to conducting a statistically significant survey was $100,000. Because I feel like surveying is something that a lot of our participants go to in their mind in terms of getting information. And I just think it's important to bring this real world experience from the field in, that for sophisticated, well-resourced companies who are doing surveys as a means of collecting customer or user preferences or information, their budgets are usually very, very large because they include things like sponsoring the surveys with ads, giving prizes, and all sorts of stuff like that. So without further ado, I want to invite you to continue through the digital persona development section of this part of the series.